Dell Inspiron 16 5630. Processor 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1335U. Graphics card, Intel Iris Xe graphics. Memory 8 GB, LPDDR5. Storage 512 GB, M2, PCIe NVMe, SSD. Ports: 1 HDMI 1.4, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 1 Universal Audio Jack, 1 Thunderbolt 4.0 DP power delivery. The maximum resolution supported over HDMI is 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz. Number 4K 2K output. Color options: platinum, silver. Display 16 FHD plus 1920 by 1200 60 Hz WVA 300 nit Comfort View Plus. 16:10 display. A 16:10 aspect ratio on a 16-inch display within the width of a 15-inch laptop gives you a taller screen to view more content. Camera 1080p at 30 fps FHD camera, dual array microphones. Keyboard: English US backlit keyboard. Palm rest Titan gray power button with fingerprint reader. Touchpad: platinum, silver, precision touchpad. Audio and speakers: stereo speakers with Waves Max Audio Pro and Dolby Atmos, 2.5W x 2 equals 5W total. Wireless: Intel Wi-Fi 6 EAX211, 2x2, 802.11 AX, Bluetooth wireless card. Peak performance. 13th Gen Intel Core processors advance real-world computing and deliver ultra-efficient multitasking. Enhanced performance with lightning-fast and power-efficient LPDDR5 memory that lets you switch apps with ease while maximizing battery life. Primary battery 4-cell, 54 watt-hours, integrated. Battery life up to 13 hours. Power 65 watt AC adapter.